met Ian MacDonald in 1972, first year medicine. His anatomy table was quite close to ours, so that's where I met him. As a physician, he is respected by his peers, which is the hallmark of doing something right. He's respected by his friends and by his patients. I think many of his patients consider him a friend, which is a compliment. Ian has helped a lot of people in many ways. He's been a force in geriatric care, for instance, as medical director of the Geriatric and Rehabilitation unit at the Chalmers Hospital since it began. He's been a member of the Alzheimer's Society, and he's used his own personal experience with cancer to help people with the living associated with after you have a diagnosis or after you struggle with it or while you're struggling with it. Along his career, he's been greatly helped by having a wonderful wife, Jane. I think they've worked as a team through a lot of things. His two children, Andrew and Jennifer. And they've done things together through the years as a family. They function as a family. They're a very close family. And I think it's helped them through the good times and helped them through some of the challenges they've had. In describing Ian MacDonald, in his own quiet way, he's a very determined individual. He has a passion for doing things right. Unfortunately, sometimes, occasionally I've been a crew on his boat, and on occasion his daughter has, and I know of one particular instance where we were going up the head pond and the crew maybe wasn't up to par, and we found that there was a little more earth where we were sailing than there was water. And he didn't say too much, but both his daughter and myself, who were up to our shoulders in the water pushing the boat off, we really both got the impression that the crew perhaps wasn't what it might have been. Some of us who came to the city in 1972 knew Dr. Moffatt and practiced with him for a number of years, 4 years in the Victoria Public Hospital and for a few years in the Chalmers Hospital. And Dr. Moffatt was an inspiration to many of us, and Dr. Moffatt would be very proud of this award for Ian MacDonald.